how to connect Wi-Fi on Samsung TV. Now, once you are here on the main home page, scroll down below and go ahead and tap on Settings at the left-hand corner. Now, go here and scroll towards the right-hand side and you'll see the section of Network. Tap on it. Now on this pop-up, go ahead and select Connect. From here, choose if your network is wireless or wired. I'm going to choose wireless. From here, you'll see various network connections available. Choose one. Now, all you would have to do is enter the password of the Wi-Fi. Now, once you have entered the password, you will successfully be able to connect Wi-Fi to your Samsung TV. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.